Hi, welcome to my channel, Math Made Easy with Laurel. I'm Laurel, and in this video we're going to talk about how you take angles measured in decimal degrees and change them to degrees, minutes, seconds, and vice versa. If you need to change your angle from one form to another, but still keep it in degrees, I'm going to talk about how you can do that. So first of all, we need to understand that there are 360 degrees in one complete rotation or revolution. And then a degree can be further divided into smaller sections, which are called minutes, similar to how an hour can be split up into smaller time intervals or units of minutes. So just like time, there are 60 minutes in 1 degree. So this is the symbol that's used for minutes. Then a minute can be further divided into seconds, and you guessed it, there are 60 seconds in a minute. So there are 60 seconds, and that's the symbol used for seconds, in 1 minute. So we use the same symbol for seconds as we do for inches. We use the same symbol for minutes as we do for feet. Be aware of what these symbols represent when you see them in terms of angles. To start off with, we're going to take an angle that's measured in degrees, minutes, seconds, and we're going to change it to decimal degrees. So my example is convert 40 degrees, 20 minutes, 30 seconds, that's the total angle, to decimal degrees. So to start with, I'm going to work with seconds and I'm going to change it to minutes. So 30 seconds will equal 30 divided by 60 minutes. So half of a minute. And that makes sense if we think of it in terms of time. 30 seconds is equal to half a minute. Then we're going to add that to what we have for minutes already. So 20 minutes plus 0.5 will give me 20.5 minutes. And if I want to change that to degrees, I'm going to divide that by 60 because there are 60 minutes in a degree. So 20.5 divided by 60, that will give me my amount of degrees, and that amount is 0.34 degrees. So I now add that to 40 degrees, so this angle will be 40.34 degrees. This angle and this angle are equivalent. Let's take a look at converting an angle in decimal degrees to degrees, minutes, seconds. I'm asked to convert 115.64 degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds. So I'm going to leave the 115 alone, that's the degrees, but I'm going to change 0.64 degrees to minutes. The way that I do that is I multiply by 60. Same way to change hours to minutes, I'm going to multiply by 60. And when I multiply by 60, I get 38.4 minutes. So 0.64 degrees is going to be equivalent to 38.4 minutes. Now I'm going to keep the 38, that's going to be my minutes, but now I want to change 0.4 minutes to seconds. And the way I take 0.4 minutes and change to seconds is, again, I multiply by 60. Same way I do it with time. If I have 0.4 minutes and I want to change to seconds, I multiply by 60. That gives me 24 seconds. So my angle will therefore be 115 degrees, 38 minutes, and 24 seconds. And we could check by converting this back to decimal degrees. So you just take the decimal part, multiply by 60, the whole number will be the minutes, the decimal part multiply by 60 to get seconds. Your calculator probably can do this very easily for you. So there's many different ways that calculators do it, so I'm not going to explain that in this video, but just check it out with your calculator and you might find that much easier.